Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Alt and Tab shortcut function on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop keyboard. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile and then select multitasking on the left panel here. On the right side, if you scroll down underneath Alt plus Tab, pressing the Alt plus Tab shows. Click the drop down and you can select any of your preferences here, where if you're Windows opening 3 of the most recent tabs, 5 or 20 most recent tabs in the apps, or you could just open up Windows only and not opening up the tabs alongside of it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.